I want to talk about the importance of nervous system regulation as a reminder to you guys who are currently scrolling on your phones, on your laptop, or whatever, and essentially you're overstimulating yourself by taking on so much information from so many different sources. It's all just coming in from so many different angles, and you're getting hits of dopamine from it. And what it's doing is it's stimulating you. You're having your nervous system stimulated through all this information and the bright lights and the fast editing. These short videos especially, they're the worst. As well as posts on social media, looking at pictures of women on Instagram, sugar, junk food, alcohol, cigarettes, drugs, porn.